Hey everybody, today I'm going to be making a 8.5 by 11 pocket page for my Me album, and it will be using this awesome plant parent stamp set from Everyday Explorers, and I'm so excited to use this stamp set, like ridiculously excited. I always take pictures of my porch area and then forget to scrapbook them, so now I have the push to scrapbook them. On my porch, I have all kinds of succulents and a few cactus, but my friend is like the plant guru, and she is the queen of succulents and cactus, and I have just a little small fraction of what she has. But I have this beautiful porch area, and it is growing, and I love it. So I took several photos so I can document that. One of the cactus she gave me now has like antlers on it, and then one of the first cactus we got, another cactus is blooming right there. This is a succulent with a little bloom. And then my feet looking down at my plants. So very exciting, and I'm just gonna make this pocket page. Might incorporate my mixed media page and put some stamped phrases on top using white paper. I don't know, but I'll make a pocket page and finally document all my plants right now. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Sabrina, and I'm on a few design teams, and I have a class at Big Picture Classes. All that information is in the description box below. Okay, I'm gonna get started on putting this together. I'm super excited. Okay, here I go. I am going to start by making an ombre type card with one of the leaves, and I'm going to tilt it at an angle. I have 3 different colors of ink, so I am going to start with the darkest at the top and then I'll go all the way to the lightest. And I absolutely love how this card came together. It was so simple, but it really makes an impact. And I decided not to use my mixed media papers. I decided to just go with a monochromatic layout and also just make my own journaling cards. So I did about 3.5 rows of the different colors of green, more of the dark and then some of the middle, and then the smallest amount was the lightest color. And I thought I was going to stamp this this phrase right here in green, but I am going to wind up just stamping it on some extra paper, and then I can cut it out. And that way it'll give it just a little bit of lift off of the spread. I'm going to make another journaling card by putting the grow in the middle, and then I'm just going to add a watering can and a few leaves in different colors. The next card I am going to make is one that's just going to say plants make me happy. I'm going to use the lightest color of green, and I'm just going to stamp it all over, kind of making my own pattern, and then I'll use the second color of green to add a few more. And I really like how that card turned out. It's just a fun way to make my own personal cards. I'm then going to go ahead and get out a piece of white paper and stamp several phrases that I will eventually cut out. There's welcome to the jungle, and then plant lady, and I think good things take time. But several different phrases that I can go ahead and fussy cut out and add on top of my journaling cards, and also add to some of the photos. So just finishing up those, and then I will go ahead and fussy cut them. I think 2 of the main phrases I'm going to wind up getting some chipboard. That way I can give them just a little bit of lift. Okay, I'm now at the point where I am going to fussy cut, and I'm bringing the page protector back, and that way I can figure out which configuration I want and where I want my cards to go and my photos to go. I decide I want the picture of my feet in the middle. I liked that one in the middle. And now I'm going to go ahead and fussy cut everything out. This first sentiment that I'm cutting is plant lady. I'm going to go ahead and put that above the grow journaling card. After I get out that chipboard that I was talking about, I wanted the 2 main phrases in black to have a little more emphasis. So I'm going to go ahead and put those on some chipboard, fussy cut them out, and then I can put them down. Plant lady, like I said, is going to go above grow, and then give it time to flourish is going to go on the ombre card. I also have several other phrases, more plants please, That's going to go up by the cactus. I also fussy cut a watering can, and then another little sentiment that says, welcome to the jungle. And then good things take time. So many good phrases in this set that could not only work for documenting your plants, but also documenting like growth mindset and growing your own goals and wellness. And I am about done with this set, this project. I am just stamping a few leaves on the plants make me happy, and then I will be finishing up this spread. I absolutely love it, and I love the monochromatic. All right, so this one is all finished. I absolutely love it. Definitely a new favorite. I love documenting my plants. I love this set. I'm definitely going to use it many times, and oh my gosh, guys, this was a fun one to create. So I hope you enjoyed seeing this page come to life. I would love a thumbs up or a subscribe if you are new to my channel and want to keep seeing my videos. All right, have a great day. Bye.